Hare Krishna, all the devotees. Can you hear me properly?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam.
Hare Krishna, Rajiv Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji, Pranams, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam.
Hare Krishna, Dandli Mataji, Dandavat Pranam. I invite you all to the early morning short Bhagavatam class, which is organized by Radha Govinda Temple, ISKCON, Bengaluru, Kolai. And I invite you specially for and on behalf of His Grace, Sri Namarishta Das Prabhuji. As usual, we'll begin with the prayers, followed by gratitude towards Srimad Bhagavatam and glories of Srimad Bhagavatam. Then we sloka number 20 today. I would suggest each one of you to pray with me, keeping your mute button on. Prayers are very important for us to understand Srimad Bhagavatam. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Gnananjanashalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prestaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Nitinamine. Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Pashyata Deshatarine. Sri Chaitanya Manobhistam Sthapitam Yena Bhutale Shram Rupa Gadamayam Tadati Sva Padantikam. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Utpadakamalam Shri Gurun Vaishnavasya Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sagaranalit Raghunathanvitam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadutam Parijana Saitam Shri Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padan Sagarnalita Shri Vishakan Vichansha. He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dina Bandhu Jagatpate Gopesh Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute. Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Shri Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabharu Sute Devi Pranamami Hari Priye. Vancha Kalpatarubhyascha Krupa Sindhubhya eva cha Patita Nama Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. May I request you all to follow me. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
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 Tanmadashayato Anvayada Itiratas Chartheshu Abhina Swarat.
Janmasyato Anvayat Idaratas Artheshwabhikshwarat.
Tene Brahmaradaya Adi Kavai Muyanti Yat Suraya.
Tene Brahmahridaya Adi Kavaye Muyanti Suraya.
Tejo Vari Mrudam Yatha Vinimayo Yatra Trisha Brusha.
Tejo Varimrudam Yatha Vinimayo Yatra Sargo Mrisha.
Namna Swena Sada Nirasta Kuhakam Satyam Param Dhimahi.
Nirasta Kuhakam Satyam Param Dhimahi.
धर्मः प्रोजहिता कैतवोऽत्र परमो निर्मत्सराणां सताम्
धर्मप्रोचितकैतवोत्तर परमो निर्मत्सराणां सताम्
वेद्यमवास्तवमत्र वस्तु शिवदम् तापत्रयोन्मूलनम्
वेद्यं वास्तवमस्तु शिवदं तापत्रयोन्मूलनम्
श्रीमद्भागवते महामुनिकृते किं वा परैश्वरः
श्रीमद्भागवते महामुनिकृते किं वा
ईश्वरः
परैरीश्वरः
सद्यो रद्य अवरुध्य तत्र कृतिभिः शुश्रूषुभिस्तत्क्षणात्
सद्यो
हृद्य अवरुध्यते
हृदिभिः शुश्रूषुभिस्तत्क्षणात्
निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलम् सुखमुखात् अमृतद्रवसंयुतम्
निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं शुकमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतम्
श्रीमद्भागवतं रसमालयम् मुहुरहो रसिकभुवि भावुकः
पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः
नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमम्
नारायणं
नमस्कृत्य
नरं चैव नरोत्तमम्
देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये
देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं
ततो
ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्
शूरतां स्वकतः कृष्णः पुण्यश्रवणकीर्तनः
शृण्वतां सुखदा कृष्णः पुण्यश्रवणकीर्तनः
हृदयन्तस्तु यभद्राणि विदुनोति सुरस्तथा
हृदयन्तस्तु मित्राणि विदुनोति सुहृत्
नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया
नष्टप्रायेष्वभद्रेषु नित्यं
भागवत
भागवतसेवया
भगवती उत्तमश्लोके भक्तिर्भवती नैष्टिकी
भगवती उत्तमश्लोके भक्तिर्भवती नैष्टिकी
नित्यं भागवत सेवया daily recitation of Srimad Bhagavatam. Hare Krishna. Chitra Mohini Devi Dasi, you are my co-host. Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya, daily recitation of Srimad Bhagavatam, removes all inauspicious things from our life and gives chance for us to pray to Uttama Sloka Lord Sri Krishna, who can bestow on Naistiki Bhakti on us. Okay, so we are going to go through today, sorry, fifth canto, creative impetus. Chapter number 17, Descent of Ganges River. Sloka number 20. Whosoever wants to recite. Venkata Narsiya Das Prabhuji. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Asadrusoya pratibhati mayaya shiveva madvasava tamralochana nagavadvo arana isare iriya yat padayos sparsana darshitendriya. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Thank you. Usha Bhatt Mataji. Try and do it in meter. It's a standard sloka like our Bhagavad Gita sloka.
Sure, Prabhuji, I will try. Hare Krishna. Pranams, Prabhuji. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Asadrusho Yah Pratibhati Mayaya Shibheva Madvasamatra Nanagavardvo Arhana Ishire Riya Yatpadayo Sparshana Darshitendriyaha. Thank you, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you. Madhumai Vilasini Mataji. Sorry, Madhumai Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Asadrusho Yaha Pratibhati Mayaya Shiveva Madvasana Madvasava Tamralochanaha Nanagavadvo Arhana Ishirevriya Yatpadayoho Sparshana Darshitendriya. Thank you, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, thank you. Nitra Mohini Devidasi. Hare Krishna Mataji.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय असदृशो या प्रतिभाति मायया शिवेव मध्वासवताम्रलोचनः ननागवर्धोहणा ईश्वरे ह्रिय यत्पादयो स्पर्शन दर्शितेन्द्रियाः। हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी। थैंक यू।
Anjali Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. असत ऋषययः प्रतिभाति मायया शिवः इव मधु असवताम्रलोचनः ननागवध्ववः अर्हण इशिरेरिया यत्पादयोः स्पर्शनदर्शित इन्द्रियाः। हरे कृष्ण प्रभुजी।
Thank you, Mataji. Usha Dayavati Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभुजी। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय असदृशय प्रतिपाति मायया शिव इव मधु आसवा ताम्रलोचनना अनागवाद्वा अर्हण इशिर हिरयः यत्पादयो स्पर्शन दर्शित इन्द्रियः। थैंक यू प्रभुजी। हरे कृष्ण प्रभुजी।
Thank you. Madhumati Vilasini Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभुजी। दंडवत प्रणाम प्रभुजी। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय अश्रदृशो यः प्रतिभाति मायया शिवेव मद्धु आसवताम्रलोचनः न नागवध्वा अहर्ण इशिरेरिया यतपादयो स्पर्शन दर्शित इन्द्रियः। थैंक यू प्रभु जी। हरे कृष्ण।
Thank you, Mataji. Pushpa Yashomati Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभुजी। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय असत्रिशोय प्रतिपादमाययाः शिवरूपमत्व असवताम्रलोचनः ननागवत्वोर्हन ईशिरे क्रिया यत्पादयो स्पर्शन दर्शिनेन्द्रियाः। हरे कृष्ण प्रभु।
Prabhula Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी। प्रणाम प्रभु जी। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय असदृश्य यः प्रतिभाति मायया क्षीर इव मध्य सवताम्रलोचनः ननागवद्यरहर्न इसिरेहिया यत्पादयो स्पर्शन धरिते इन्द्रियः। हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी। थैंक यू प्रभु।
Thank you, Mataji. Revati Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji.
हरे कृष्ण माताजी। प्रणाम प्रभु जी। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय आश्रितादृशयः प्रतिपादमाययो शिवेव मध्वसवता म्रलोचनः नानागवद्दो अर्हण इषीरे हियायात्पादयोः स्वर्जन दार्शितो इन्दिरयः. Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mataji. Can you, Revati Mataji, read the synonyms for us?
Yes, Prabhuji. Thank you very much, Prabhuji. Asad darshaha, for a person with polluted vision. Yaha, who pratipati, appears. Mayaya, the influence of Maya. Shivaha, one who is inebriated or angry. Iva, like madhu, by honey. Asava, and liquor. Tamra lochanaha, having eyes reddish like copper. Na, not. Naga, Vadavaha, the wives of the serpent demon. Arhane, in worshipping, Ishire were unable to proceed. Priya, because of bashfulness. Yet Padayoho, of whose lotus feet. Sparshana, by the touching. Darshita, agitated. Indirayaha, whose senses. Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Thank you very much, Prabhuji.
Thank you, Revati Mataji. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. For persons with impure vision, the Supreme Lord's eye appear like those of someone who indiscriminately drinks intoxicating beverages. Thus, I'm sorry. Thus, bewildered, such intelligent persons become angry at the Supreme Lord, and due to their angry mood, the Lord himself appears angry and very fearful. Therefore, however, this is an illusion. When the wives of the serpent demon were agitated by the touch of the Lord's lotus feet, due to shyness, they could proceed no further in their worshipping of him. Yet the Lord remained unagitated by their touch, for he is equipped in all circumstances. Therefore, who will not worship the Supreme Personality of Godhead? Purport by Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Anyone who remains unagitated, even in the presence of cause of agitation, is called Dhira or Dhira Muni, or equipoised. The Supreme Personality of Godhead, being always in a transcendental position, is never agitated by anything. Therefore, someone who wants to become Dhira must take shelter of the lotus feet of the Lord. In Bhagavad Gita 2.13, Krishna says, Dhiras tatra na bhuyanti. Bhuyanti means illusion or moho. Dhira never gets illusion. A person who is equipoised in all circumstances is never bewildered.
May I read Prabhuji? Hare Krishna.
Please go ahead, brother.
Yeah. Prahlad Maharaj is a perfect example of a Dhira. When the fierce form of Narsimhadev appeared in order to kill Hiranyakashipu, Prahlad was unagitated. He remained calm and quiet, whereas others, including even Lord Brahma, were frightened by the features of the Lord. Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Thank you.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji. I'm sorry, I apologize for my cough. Dhira is something we learned in Srimad Bhagavatam. The definition we learned was that one who doesn't get disturbed in presence of a cause of disturbance. And we called it Dhira Muni. Arjuna then subsequently asked whether what are the ways in which Dhiras are confirmed, like his symptoms, how they sleep, how they walk, how they talk. It's the same Dhira that Lord is that here is being talked about. It's an equipoise position wherein one doesn't get disturbed. If we look at all of us, in happiness we get very happy, and everything looks so flabbergasted and so nice. Whereas in grief, everything looks doomed, and we feel, even in goodness, we feel so many bad things happening. So our mood does have direct effect and impact on the perception that we have. In the goodness, we always perceive everything good, and in the badness, we always perceive everything as bad. It's the same thing that happens when you eat your food. When you are happy, you like the food, you like the taste. When you are unhappy, you don't like the taste at all. Lord has his eyes which are like copper, and they look as if they are the eyes of a drunkard man. But that's a material perception. We get bewildered because we feel the God is angry. Actually, God is not angry. That's the way the eyes are. But this produces a lot of illusion in us that we get and we get that illusion, and we also become angry on God. This is not the right way of receiving a God. And those who are Dhira never gets bewildered, like Prahlad Maharaj, like many other people who are pure devotees and has reached equipoise position. And they remain quiet and they never lose their head. I think we will stop here today. I seem to have a cough suddenly cropped up. Any question, any queries, anything else? If there is none, we'll stop here. I'm sorry, I apologize. Vacha kalpatarubhyasya कृपा सिंधुभ्य एव च प्रतिनानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः. Hare Koti Vaishnava ki jai. Hare Krishna to all the devotees. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Get well.
Take care, Prabhuji.